My name is Liesel. I'm an artist from Bloemfontein, South Africa. Today I would like to share something very exciting. I got my very first art sponsor box from Art Savings Club. I don't know what precisely is in the box except that it's pencil samples, which is really kind of cool as I go through pencils like I go through chocolates, which is quite a lot. First off, I would like to say a very big thank you to Art Savings Club. This is really a big honor and I appreciate this. I will add the links and details in the description as well as in the end credit of this video, so really please go check out their website. They're quite awesome. Just to give you a big background of Art Savings Club, they are an online art shop. They supply everything from brushes, canvas, easels, drawing materials, printmaking, sculpture tools, which is kind of cool, as well as the best of all is gift cards. Just to give you a general tip for the population, for the non-artist population, if you have an artist friend and you don't know what to buy him or her, art materials is always a good idea. You just need to know which medium. So if, for example, if they do drawings, do they do pencil, graphite, pastel or colored pencils, you know, any kind of anything like that, and which brands. If, of course, the brands do quite differ. Some brands are not as good as the others. So if you know those two kind of things, you shanana. I don't think you can go wrong. For the next few weeks, I will be sharing tutorials as well as reviews on the pencils. So please come visit again. Let's see. We've got quite nice branding, like the red. Cool. It's like Christmas for me. So it's cool. It's a pencil sharpener, I think. Oh, that's cute. It's just a penny, little like a money bucket for charity. So yes, I'll use this. A little book time about Karen. Oh, I don't always know his name. Karen D'Osh. Okay, but in any case, there it is. Oh, coffee! Always a good idea for artists as well. Oh, awesome. Okay, here's quite a few dark diamond pencils, different colors. It's watercolor. Let's see what's all the different ones here. Okay, break pencils. Derwent is a very good brand, so you can definitely buy that. There's a braid, color soft. So I don't know this one yet. Okay, but that's cool. And then a Derwent drawing Chinese white. So yeah. I think I had one like this a long time ago. And then a Derwent ink tints. I have seen this one yet, but I haven't used it. That's quite cool. And a burnisher. I haven't used this yet as well, so that will be also kind of awesome to try out. Bit pastel. Oh, I like this one. Faber-Castell, sorry. This one I use quite often, so definitely going to use that one. Rembrandt Splendor. Okay, probably a blender tool. So yes, I'll try that as well. Lyra, I think. And then a watercolor Derwent Geranium Lake, which is kind of a red kind of color. Then a Derwent Pastel Saffron. Oh, that looks like a very nice color. I'm definitely going to use. Okay. So there's quite a variations of pencils in here. Colour as well. I'm glad they sent me colours because I'm trying to learn pastels as a medium as well, so it's always a good start. Luminance, permanent colour. Okay, that's that brand I can't pronounce, but in any case, here it is. Stabilo. Okay, yes, I'll see that one. I think I've seen this one before. Okay, Derwent Blender. I don't know what's the other one's a Splendor, so we'll see what's the difference between the two. Aquarelle, that's also kind of a watercolor pencil. Polycolor, I don't really know, but see, test that one out as well. Gironda, this is one of my favorite brands as well, the Koi, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, I think it's Koi in Hartmouth. I think it's a German brand if I remember correctly. Then Derwent Artist, that's cool. Artist medium is always usually a bit more cooler. I've been that one. Okay, Pro Color, I know that one as well. Polychromos, I've heard about this one, so I'll definitely going to try that one out. Permanent Color and Purple Violet. So quite a nice variation of colours. Okay. This is a rubber, always a good idea. And then pastel pencils and cube. Oh, so that's nice. Also a nice idea for a gift. So it's pencil and the cube, the pastel cube as well. So you have two different ways of mediums. And this is also Aquarelle from a different brand. I don't know that one. I know there is. Mine actually got lost, so this is very cool. This is a thing that you use to sharpen your pencils with. Actually had one like this, but it got lost somewhere, so this is very nice. Thank you, I appreciate this one. Oh, I'll read that later. Okay, and a few things from the Art Savings Club, and then a very nice little pencil book. Oh, thank you guys, this is very cool.